Allow yourself to settle comfortably where you are, knowing that you are supported and safe. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your chest and belly to expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of all tension. As you begin to notice each breath, with each inhale, feel a sense of calm washing over you. And with each exhale, let go of any distractions or worries. With each breath, you drift into a beautiful, relaxed, serene state, deeper and deeper within. Now, bring your attention to the crown of your head. Imagine a soft, healing light forming there, warm and soothing. This light flows gently down, relaxing the top of your head, softening your forehead, and easing your jaw. Feel it traveling down to your neck and shoulders, letting them feel light and loose. You are feeling more and more at peace as you begin to relax and let yourself go deeper and deeper. It moves into your arms, all the way to your fingertips, filling you with warmth and calm. This beautiful light fills your chest, warming your heart and lungs, spreading love and peace throughout your entire being with each new breath. The light flows into your abdomen, softening every muscle, easing any tension, and then continues down through your hips, thighs, and knees. Feel it travel through your calves and ankles, reaching your feet and toes. It flows until your entire body is bathed in a warm, comforting glow. You feel relaxed and at peace. Next, I want you to begin to feel, see, or become aware of that beautiful chakra energy that flows within your body. This energy flows from the top of your head down to the base of your spine. This flow of energy connects all of your chakras. As you rest, feel the beautiful healing energy deep within, moving gently through the energy within your body. As this energy flows throughout your whole body, each chakra becomes aligned, connected, and open. You are whole, at peace, and deeply relaxed, held in the loving embrace of your inner light. This beautiful energy flows with ease. Allow yourself to again focus on your breath as you begin to feel or see the flow of energy moving up and down through all of your chakras. It is almost as if it is aligned with your breathing. And as you breathe in and out, you relax even more. Next, begin to become aware that as it goes down to your root chakra, it extends through the base of your spine, extending beyond the root chakra, flowing down through all the dimensions below, and grounding your beautiful flow of energy down into the center of the earth, where you can find the root of creativity and manifestation. And that energy flows back up through all of the energy within you, and continues to flow up through your crown chakra at the top of your head, and continues to flow up through all the dimensions above, connecting you to Source, which is pure unconditional love. It is so healing. Let yourself connect to that beautiful healing energy on a conscious level. Remember, you are a beautiful spiritual light being filled with love and light. As you focus on your chakra flow of energy, this raises your vital life force energy, and this relaxes you on a very deep level. As your inner light shines brighter and brighter, feel that gentle flow of energy within as you inhale and exhale each breath, relaxing you even more. So I want you to take this one step further and allow you to focus or to bring your attention to the center of your being, the seat of your soul, the light being part of you, the conscious part of you. This beautiful, radiant, pulsating ball of light, which is located in the center of you. As you bring your focus and attention to this beautiful light being aspect of you, it expands and grows throughout all of your energy. And that, in and of itself, is healing. It is so beautiful, so radiant. You can take this conscious part of you, the light being part of you, and allow it to feel that flow of beautiful chakra energy, connecting you to your higher self aspect. It is safe to feel the expansiveness of your soul. And from this perspective, you can now take a journey deep within. In this beautiful space of healing and deep connection within, allow yourself to become aware of all your chakras within your physical body. And even those beyond your physical body. And then begin to visualize or feel Archangel Raphael standing right in front of you, Raphael is so beautiful. This beautiful angel is an expert in healing. Allow yourself to open each of your chakras to allow for the deep healing to occur within. As you allow Archangel Raphael to guide the process. And as Archangel Raphael focuses on each of your chakras, allow yourself to receive a message on what it is that they are healing for you today. Bring your focus to your crown chakra and open it up to receive the healing. Your beautiful crown chakra connects you to the other side. Higher knowledge and understanding. Let yourself receive that healing. And then begin to become aware of your third eye chakra, opening that chakra up to receive the healing from Archangel Raphael, allowing this beautiful chakra to open your intuition even more for clear connection of knowledge. And then open up your throat chakra, allowing it to be healed on a very deep level, enhancing your communication to receive knowledge and hear with ease, and to communicate with clarity, especially in a way so that you are heard. And then open your heart chakra, allowing any healing to occur deep within your heart, releasing the grief or anything holding you back from opening yourself to love, recognizing that as you open your heart to receive the healing, you are loving yourself even more. Now open up your solar plexus chakra, helping you connect with motivation, standing your ground, and feeling, allowing Archangel Raphael to provide you with that deep healing for that chakra. Next, open up and receive the healing for your sacral chakra. That beautiful chakra energy helps you create and feel that relationship connection with others. Open that chakra. Open yourself to receive the healing from that beautiful, angelic, pure, unconditional love energy. You are worthy. And next, open up your root chakra, allowing yourself to feel so grounded into this earth. We chose this beautiful experience. Let yourself receive the healing. And then feel that beautiful flow of chakra energy through all of your chakras. And as you do that, become aware of all the chakras below you. extending beyond your root chakra. And also become aware of all the chakras extending above and beyond your crown chakra. These chakras are open, ready to receive that deep, higher dimensional healing too. Let yourself receive. You are worthy of it. Now, let yourself receive a message from Archangel Raphael to help you today, to help you understand what you needed to heal today and what steps you could take to continue your healing process. Let yourself receive any knowledge or understanding from Archangel Raphael at this time. Open your intuitive senses to receive the information from Archangel Raphael. You may hear it, feel it, see it, or simply just receive a knowing. Trust whatever comes to you. And thank Archangel Raphael for the beautiful healing that you just received. And thank Archangel Raphael for the beautiful healing energy that they provided to you. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your chakra flow of energy filling your entire being. Exhale slowly, grounding yourself in the present moment. As you awaken, you will bring this knowledge forward with ease and clarity. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes. You'll be awake and alert, in full control of your body and your mind. Allow your body to reawaken. As you wake up, a surge of healthy energy flows through your body, bringing the knowledge from deep within your subconscious with you. Let yourself become fully awake and alert as you feel grounded, centered, and whole within your body.